Hi students, today I will discuss about the main features of the Harappan civilization, or what are the features that make Harappan civilization as the first urban civilization in India. See, what is the first feature? The first feature of the Harappan civilization is town planning, means how they build their towns and cities. We learned that Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are the two important sites of Harappan civilization. Do you know how they built these cities? Both the cities were built on a similar plan. Both have almost similar features. The first characteristic of the town planning was that it was divided into two parts, the upper part and lower part. The upper part is known as citadel and the other part is lower area or lower town. Children, you know what is citadel? Citadel means fortress or fort. It was built on a high platform on the western side of the city. On it, public buildings like religious structures, assembly hall and granaries were erected. Clear? On the citadel, they built great buildings like granaries, religious structures and assembly hall. The ruler and the ruling class, consisting of rich merchants and the priests, probably lived here. Who lived in the citadel? The ruler, ruling class, rich merchant and priest. Again, you know, the citadel was defended by a wall. How it was defended? It was defended by a wall. For what? To protect it against floods or enemy attack. Then, what about the other part? That is a lower area or lower town. And where is this lower town? It was on the eastern side and below the citadel. Below the citadel was the town and most probably the common people lived here. Next, what were the peculiar features of the streets? The main streets ran from north to south and other streets ran at right angles to the main streets. Then you see the pictures. Here you can see that the main streets ran from north to south, right? And these streets cross the main road at right angles, dividing the city into square or rectangular blocks. The streets were rounded off. Rounded off means to make round or go round. Streets were going round. Why it's made it like that? To allow the cars. Cars means the bullock cars or other cars and all, no, to turn easily. Clear? Again, where they built their houses, houses stood on both sides of the streets. It was built on both sides of streets. This way, they did not encroach on the streets. What is the meaning of encroach? Trespass or intrude means houses were built on both sides of the streets to avoid occupying the area of streets. These houses were built of clean burned bricks. What is clean means? A type of large oven used for making bricks and clay objects. Both the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro houses were built of clean burned bricks. They burn or heated bricks in kiln or oven. But at Lothal and Kalibangan, their houses were made of sun-dried bricks. Here, the bricks were heated under the sun and not in oven. Their houses had 4 to 6 living rooms besides the kitchen and the bathroom. Again, the archaeological find out some large houses with staircases which suggest the existence of 2 or 3 storied buildings. Most of the houses had a well and there was an arrangement for a street lighting. So, in the streets they had street lights. Think, they built their cities about 8,000 years ago with all these special features. No wonder why the civilization is called the first urban civilization. Let me move on to the next feature. That is the perhaps the most unique feature of the Harappan civilization was the efficient and well-planned drainage system. What is the meaning of drainage? Drainage means the system of water or waste liquid flowing away from somewhere into the grounds. Right? What are the features of the drainage system of the Harappan people? First, the kitchen and the bathroom had sloping floors. We know what is the use of sloping floors? To allow the water to drain out into the narrow drains. Next, the house drains were connected to the main underground drains, which carried the water to the large pits outside the city. Okay, the house drains were connected to the main underground drain. Drain means it may be the channel or a pipe to run out water. So again, the street drains ran along the side of the street. They were covered with bricks. See, these drains, they did not keep open. It was covered with bricks. And they had soak pits and manholes for cleaning these drains. You know what is the meaning of the manholes? Manholes means a large hole in a road or path that a worker can enter into and in order to reach the underground pipes. So from this we can understand that the Harappans paid great attention to sanitation and hygiene. Clear? Then now see the question answers is given in page number 61. Question 5. What is the suggested date of the Harappan civilization? So take page number 65. So that table, to remember the table, it is given. While Sir John Marshall placed the civilization between 3250 and 2750 BC, modern historian dated between 2500 and 1500 BC. Okay, next, number 6. State one feature of the Harappan civilization that justifies its urban character. Then that is same page number 65. Below that question number 5. Okay, below the answer 5, you see town planning is given. Town planning. It was an urban civilization. That paragraph till street lighting. I think got it. Starting, it was an urban civilization. Then it goes till there was an arrangement for street lighting. That is the answer of 6th and 7th question. Answer of 6th one and 7th one. And it is easy for you. This is the answer of question number 6 and 7. Then 8. Why were the corners of the Harappan streets rounded off? Number 8. So that is page number 60. Second paragraph. Page number 60. Second paragraph. The streets were rounded off to allow the cars to turn easily. The streets were rounded off to allow the cars to turn easily. Then number 9. What were the Harappan houses made of? Number 9 answer is the same page only. Below that you can see that houses were built of clean burned bricks. Houses were built of clean burned bricks. Number 9. Number 10. State any two features of a typical Harappan house. Number 10. So below that you can see that any two features of a typical Harappan house. Number 10. An average household beside the kitchen and the bath, 4 to 6 living rooms. That is a 1 point. They asked two features. First point is an average household besides the kitchen and the bath, 4 to 6 living rooms. Second point, next paragraph, first line. Most of the houses are a well. Most of the houses are a well. Number 11. Why was the floor of the bathroom of a typical Harappan house sloping? Number 11 answer, you will get the drainage system. Drainage system, second paragraph. Second paragraph. The kitchen and bathroom had sloping floors to allow the water to drain out into the narrow drains alongside. Okay. The number 12. How can you prove that Harappans had an efficient drainage system? So next paragraph is given that the house drains were connected to the main underground drains, and it goes till manholes for clearing. Clear? Answer starting means from here. The house drains were connected to the main underground drains. That it continues till manholes for clearing. Okay. Today this is enough. You write down all these answers in your copy.